Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix FPS drop issue in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to go to your start menu and type over there run. After that, just click on run app and you will get this window. Also, you can press Windows and R button together from your keyboard and you will get this same run dialog box. So now you have to type over there Regedit. So don't worry with that, I will give you this command on my video description. After that, click on OK or press enter. Now click on yes. After that, you will get this window. So now what you have to do, you need to first expand this option, which is H key current user. After that, expand under H key current user. You have to expand system, and now you will get one option over there is called game config store. So select that option, and after that on your right side corner you will get an option like GameDVR enable. So right click on that option and click on modify. Now you have to change the value data 1 to 0. After that, click on OK and restart your computer. So after restart, still if it is not working on your computer, then just go again run box and type Regedit once again, and after that on this time you have to expand H key local machine, and after that expand the software, and now you have to find over there Microsoft. So here it is. So expand the Microsoft. Under Microsoft you will get a option like PolicyManager, so expand that option, and under PolicyManager you will get an option like default, so expand this. Now you have to find one more option over there is called ApplicationManagement, so expand that option, and under ApplicationManagement you will get a option like AllowGameDVR. So select that option, and on the right side corner you will get an option like value. So select that option and right click over there and click on modify. Now again you have to change the value data 1 to 0. So you have to select here, put over there 0, and after that click on OK. So now you're done. So after restart it will fix your problem. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or questions then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.